Ako'y kung nahalita ng tama sama sa takipos na aking hawakan. Isipin I can give you 50 reasons why I should be the one you choose. All these other girls were beautiful, but they their eyes on you. I can't help it if you look like an angel. Can't help it if I wanna kiss you in the rain. So that girl is magic I've been feeling since I met you. Can't help it if you're so honest. I can't wait. On my phone I do, and I cry. Guys, so we're out today. I'm taking myself on a date. So I'm here in Foam de Garda. So I just ordered the foam signature and the roastery. So it's quite the same sa foam sa taas. But the thing is, may pagkalasang cream cheese yung signature latte nila. So for me, it's different but the same. At the same time. So yeah. So ngayon na lang ako ulit nag-ayos ng sarili ko. I usually just leave the house bare-faced. But today, it's gonna be a different one. Hey guys. So this is the coffee. I don't wanna mix it entirely kasi gusto ko yung... So guys, okay, so I was taking some photos a while ago and then one of the people here in Foam noticed me and then he said that this is gonna be a showroom of coffee stuffs and then the staircase right there. Maganda din daw mag-take ng photos once it's done. So I'm looking forward doon and took some photos just to document today. This is burnt cheesecake, so one of their new flavors. So let's try it out. It's raining already. Going home now.